Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids, are you ready to play a fun math game? Let's guess the right answer for addition. Let's start. Here's the first question. 1 plus 3 plus 5? Let's look at the options. Is it 6, or 7, or maybe 8, or is it 9?
Answer is 9.
1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9. Great job kids. Let's try another one. 2 plus 4 plus 1? Let's check the options. Is it 5, or 6, or maybe 7, or is it 8?
Answer is 7.
2 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 7. Great job kids. Let's try another one. 5 plus 2 plus 1? Let's check the options. Is it 9, or 8, or maybe 7, or is it 6?
Answer is 8.
5 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 8. Great job kids. Let's try another one. 2 plus 2 plus 2? Let's check the options. Is it 6, or 7, or maybe 8, or is it 9?
Answer is 6.
2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. Great job kids. Let's try another one. 3 plus 2 plus 0? Let's check the options. Is it 3, or 4, or maybe 5, or is it 6?
Answer is 5.
3 plus 2 plus 0 equals to 5. Great job kids. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing math every day. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.